So when it comes to storing bell peppers, the sweet peppers, I usually store them just in a cloth bag in the produce drawer. That is the best place to keep your peppers. But now, if you want to actually prep them in advance to save yourself time throughout the week, then what I like to do is slice up my bell pepper, remove the seeds here. I'm just going to cut it into strips to slices and store these slices in a glass container with a lid. And I can store them for about 3 days before they get slimy. And now I have bell peppers ready to go. So a little bit of prep in advance means that I can now use these bell peppers to save time throughout the week for snacking, an easy grab and go snack. We can make a stir fry with this. We can add these to salad. We can make fajitas with this. And instead of having to spend the time on a busy weeknight when I need to grab peppers out and to wash them and to cut them, instead I already washed these peppers in advance, cut them up into slices, and now they're ready to go in my fridge. So I don't do these with all my peppers, but I'll definitely do this with 1 to 2 peppers every week and store the rest in the fridge so that I have peppers ready to go. And again, these will keep for about 3, even 4 days at a time.